The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, northern Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cashton to near Viroqua, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lafarge around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include County Roads D and North, Jersey Valley County Park, County Roads B and Y, Liberty, Folsom, Highway 80 and County CC and Woodstock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Richland and Vernon. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station. The severe thunder